Hello everybody, welcome to smartcard video channel. Thank you for following us. Today we are going to explain you, step by step, what are the differences between a reader and a coupler. At smartcard, smart readers are devices that combine a coupling device with embedded application software, instead of a host system necessary for other devices. These smart readers are capable of completing alone a simple transaction with a card and finding a short ID compliant with what the treatment system is waiting for. We know that a smart card is basically a microcontroller communicating with the external world through a serial line. But we must find a better name than reader for the device that ensures the connectivity and gives access to the smart card instructions. Reading a smart card makes not more sense than reading a SQL database. You do not read the raw memory. Your application sends some commands to get authenticate, send other commands to explore a file system, etc. and read it. Therefore, the device in which the smart card is inserted plays the role of the pass-through gateway between the software running in the host computer and the software running inside the card's microcontroller. This gateway translates commands coming from the host application through any computer interconnection technology into electrical signals. But this gateway does not add any processing logic. Its position is to couple the smart card with the computer. That's why we call it a coupler. To conclude this topic with a relevant practical case, I invite you to watch our video about the differences between the Prox'n RFID scanner and the Prox'n PCSC. So thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow us on our social media, Twitter, LinkedIn. All the links are below this video. You can also find more information on our website, smartcard.com. Feel free to tell us in the comment section if there is other subjects that you would like us to cover. And see you soon for the next video.